Welcome to My Tax Prep Office. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Solution Center. The Solution Center brings together everything you need to prepare returns confidently. AI-powered question understanding, smart article recommendations, cross-questioning when clarification is needed, form, schedule, line and calculation guidance, perform review error resolution, IRS state and bank rejection explanations, software instructions and workflow overviews, and direct support ticket creation. Whether you're troubleshooting an error, learning a feature, or researching a tax form, the Solution Center delivers the right information at the right time. To get started, on the dashboard, click on Support. A new tab opens displaying the Solution Center. Here, you'll see a list of returns for your selected tax year. You can either select a specific return you have a question about, or click My AI Search Assistant to ask a general question. My AI Assistant is fully integrated into the Solution Center and includes a powerful tool designed to help you find answers quickly and efficiently. My AI Search Assistant. It allows you to ask questions, understands what you're looking for, and guides you directly to the most relevant articles. Let's look at how My AI Search Assistant works. After selecting My AI Search Assistant, a dialog appears showing trending topics and a field where you can ask your question. If your question is unclear or missing details, My AI Search Assistant will automatically ask follow-up questions. This ensures you receive a precise, accurate guidance. Once clarified, you'll see suggested articles. Click View Article to read it inside the Solution Center, or click Open Article to view it in a new tab. After reviewing the article, you can provide feedback in the Was This Helpful section. Choose Yes or No. If you select No, you'll be asked for additional feedback. When finished, you'll see options to ask another question, restart the conversation, or create a support ticket. If you need help with a return, you can submit a support ticket directly through the Solution Center. Start by selecting the return your question relates to. Next, choose the mode in which you have a question, Forms mode or Interview mode. Then click Continue. You'll see 6 tabs: a specific line, Perform Review Error, IRS DOR Rejection, IRS State Notice, Financial Products, and Other. Select the tab that best matches your question. In this example, we selected Perform Review Error. You'll see a list of all error codes found in the return. Select an error code and click Continue. The Solution Center will display articles related to the error. If you still need assistance, select No when asked, "Was this helpful?" and provide your feedback. You'll be redirected to My AI Search Assistant. You'll then have the option to create a support ticket. Follow the prompts to submit your ticket. If you have multiple questions for the same return, click Add another question for this return, and a ticket list will be created. Once all questions are entered, click Proceed to Submit Ticket. Provide additional information about your question. Then click the Authorization box and proceed to Submit Ticket. A customer support specialist will review your ticket and respond as soon as possible. You can track progress in the My Tickets section. By centralizing training, troubleshooting, and support resources, the Solution Center ensures you always have the information you need to prepare returns confidently. This completes the training video on how to use the Solution Center. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore the Solution Center today to experience faster answers, smarter guidance, and a more efficient tax preparation workflow.